Hi guys, I'm going to buy breakfast for my other family members because it's already 7:15 and they should be eating. I just got our order and I'll be waiting for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll just be hanging out in the beach because Andox here in Boracay is in beachfront. My family is staying in this hotel. It's not really a hotel because it's a set of or series of bungalow houses called Pito Huts. It's really also nice here. We're going island hopping and I'm not sure if it's good there, but I want to try island hopping here in Boracay. Crystal Cove. There's an entrance of 300. I don't have 300 for this one, but I think it's really nice in here. It gets easily very crowded here, so you better come here early. The weather in here is very interesting. Like behind me it's really sunny, but in front of me it's actually raining. Going snorkeling right now, and I think the water is very clear.
Let me see.
It's really nice in here. The water is very cold, but at least the sun is shining. Probably can't hear me right now, but it's really cool. Look. stop swimming because my vest is not that tight. But I will be back later. Island hopping or snorkeling is a recommended activity. You should try this. The water here in the beach is very clear. Look. It's very hot in here, but it's okay because the view and the sea is very good. Even though it's still raining, it's actually still good to walk along the shoreline here in Station 2 because the views are just wonderful. Our time in Boracay has come to an end. Surprisingly, everything went well, including that island hopping that we ate lunch for almost 2 p.m. already. But so far, everything here in Boracay is perfect.